Yo, what's up? I need to go jump. Let's go jump on the trampoline, Zach.
No,
What are you doing?
I'm eating pretzels.
They're not pretzels.
Jesus.
I'm gonna go jump on the trampoline.
Bye. Give me those cheeses.
Oh, you can't see me. Can't see me, so I'm not gonna go on the trampoline. And I just got back from school. So subscribe, leave a link in the comment below. Have a great day.